I just hooked one in the tail out. Came off right away though. But it was definitely a fish. Felt head shake, and then it popped. So it was deep in the tail out too. So that's a good sign. It kind of tells me where they're hanging. There's a good spot for them to spawn. So there's a bunch of gravel in this tail out. It's really a big, in my opinion, a big spawning section. Got one. There's one. There's one. Oh my God, that is huge. That is huge. I'm gonna have to go down. He's gonna take me down. Oh my God. Come on. Trick him back up here. See if we can get him back up here. Oh my God, no way. We've got him in this little back alley. Come on, swim him to us. No net. No net. Didn't bring it. Nice. Nice. Hopefully this is a hatchery. We can take him home. Wow, what a jumper. 2 fish a day? Are you serious? No, 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 no. Stay here. Stay here. Don't go down. No. He's right in front. Don't know if I really see a fin on him. It's a little bit of a sketchy spot to land one. We got light line. Use an 8-pound test. Light line. All right. Well, this happened with our last one too. So I should keep walking him so we get to slower water, and then we'll land him there. Got a good hook set on this one. Don't lose him. All right, we got him in the slow pool now. I didn't see a fin, so we're just gonna bank this fish. And they're so strong, even for the size. Little wild fish. Didn't see a fin at first, so that's my bad. But there's a sandy bank right here. Second steelhead on camera. Twofer. I just hooked another one too in that tail out, and I missed it. And then I hooked this fish. Wow, beautiful steelhead. Beautiful little steelhead here. Oh, he's skeeting. Two for a 2-fish day. We're gonna make it a 3-fish day here in a second. Let's let this guy go, get on his way. Later, bud. Later, bud.